Association of Osaka Kado, Japan Art and Flower. Ikebana is traditional Japanese culture. I'd like to use this big basket to make a larger arrangement. Today, we're using Japanese Andromeda. It changes color a bit in early fall, so it's often used in spring, summer, and fall in Ikebana. This is Japanese cedar. The tips of the branches turn white. That's why it's called snow-crowned cedar. And another kanji character reading is gray-haired old man. This is a winter scene. We often use this cedar when it starts to snow. And one more thing. Mixing mountain, hillside, and waterside plants is the fun part of what we're doing today. Normally, we would use a kenzan, a spiked base, to steady the flowers, but this is a larger arrangement. We'd normally check the progress up and down as we go, but today, we'll start with a rough idea. First, it's preferable to start with a long branch. Trees have two sides, front and back. To put it simply, the front of the leaves are clearly visible. If you turn this around, it will be the back side. Flower arrangements are made to be viewed from the front. So even if the shape of the branches are interesting, if they can't be seen from the front, it doesn't make sense. Well, I'll arrange this branch here, or tilt it this way. Next, I've already cut this branch, and there's a large empty space here. I'll fill this space with flowers and cedar branches. This is good, isn't it? This King Protea flower is difficult to set, so I'll arrange this cedar first. The maximum length of this cedar is here. We get a fleeting view of it. Now this is the overall composition. From here, I'll add colors with these flowers. We need to choose flowers that can be seen when we look from below. I use them as they are, even if they are bent. Normally, we'd use straight flowers, but we'll use them as they are. I'll put this here, or tilt it diagonally. There are many ways of arranging. It adds a difference of height to the red flowers. Be careful not to stick them together. Keep that in mind. Today, we're using Japanese Andromeda branches. Japanese cedar is a bit short, so it makes the Andromeda seem larger. We can use the Andromeda even if it is tilting. At this time of year, there is snow in the mountains. So I'm using this snow-crowned cedar along with King Protea, which is actually from the southern hemisphere. The Andromeda expresses strength. King Protea is 50 to 60 centimeters, or about 2 feet high, so it's better to prep it first. Today, I did this arrangement by flower type, but you could start with Andromeda or build out from snow-crowned cedar, whatever you like, as you get used to it. The allure of this arrangement is really the snow-crowned cedar. It's the most beautiful at this time of year. When combined with this subtropical flower, I wonder what kind of arrangement I can create. I hope you enjoy it. Practicing Ikebana adds richness and warmth to your daily life. Offering flowers in a temple is what ancient Japanese history tells us. We'd like to share the healing power of flowers.